A lot of YouTubers make mistakes when creating their videos, and one of the things I noticed right off the bat is that this person recorded their audio in 4400 hertz and 32-bit flow. Normally, you want to make it 4800 hertz and 24-bit. That'll help your audio a lot. Another issue is you can tell that it's very quiet. We're going to go ahead and play a clip of it so you can hear it.
Hey guys, welcome to Shatterline Top 10 Tips and Tricks.
Now, I know he has his gameplay in the background, so it will make it a little bit more difficult. We're just going to work with the section of the video just to kind of demonstrate on how to clean up your audio and make it more efficient. So let's go ahead and give it a play.
Hey guys, welcome to Shatterline Top.
So we're going to go ahead and go into favorites and then go into normalize. You want it at -1 dB. So now we're going to go ahead and replay that.
Hey guys, welcome to Shatterline Top 10 Tips and Tricks.
One of the issues that I'm noticing here is because of this little spike.
Is that
when you're editing your audio for your YouTube videos, you always want to get rid of licks like this or, you know, any because you want your video to flow smoothly. So we're going to go ahead and take that out, make our audio back to -1.
Hey guys, welcome to Shatterline Top.
And right there already, we can tell that the audio is sounding so much better. Unfortunately, this is going to be a little bit hard to edit because of the soundtrack in the background. So normally you want to double check that your video game audio isn't too loud. You want to remove breathing from your videos because breathing really makes people lose focus. So that's what we're going to do here. So you see how he had that audio thing right there? So normally you just want to remove that. It's going to be a little bit out of sync again because the gameplay is in the background, but you're going to notice.
PVE. And the great thing about
See, and even then it still sounded a lot more smoother, but when you have breathing in the background, it just sounds weird.
In PVE. And the great
remove breaths, licks, and mouth clicks.
Hey guys, welcome to
In case you have like a P sound that's like kind of a disturbance, like that, like this is not bad, but normally like if it's very harsh, go into effects, filter, and EQ, go to FFT filter, and automatically it'll take it away and make it a lot more smoother.
PV.
And you can't tell the difference there because it's not as harsh, but normally when a P is very harsh, that effect will help clean it up. Background remover, go to effects, go to noise reduction. So normally you want to catch a noise point, like I'll catch this one right here, go to effects, noise reduction, capture noise point, then I'll highlight the entire audio, go to effect, and then go to noise reduction process. I normally just leave it on auto so I don't have to like do much for it.
Have a higher blueprint.
Then what you want to do is you want to add a compression to it. So normally I go into filter and EQ, go to parametric equalizer. Now I like to have it on vocal enhancer. What this does, it gets rid of the low noise. It amps the high pitch of the video higher, so it makes it better.
It's even before unlocking them because you get them through.
And right there already you can hear the big difference in the audio. I mean, look at that after and the before.
And the great thing about Hey guys, welcome to and the great thing.
So if you notice, there's more presence in the video. In case you guys don't have the editing software, you guys don't have the time to edit your own videos, I do have a Fiverr, link will be in the description. I will edit your audio files for you. And if you come from the YouTube channel all the way from October all the way to November 4th, if you type in message that you came from my YouTube channel, I'll give you a $5 discount. Now anyways, if this video did help you, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.